What's up, tartlets? It's Megan. Today I will be playing with there's wig hair everywhere. What's up, tartlets? It's Megan, and today I will be creating this look using the two new Tarteist Pro Remix palette. This is the brand new Tarteist Pro Glow and Blush, as well as the Tarteist Pro Remix palette. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. What's up, guys? It's Regina George. Okay, so as you can already see, I have my base on and my brows. I know what you're thinking, Megan, why are you wearing a wig? I wanted to recreate the look that I was wearing at the Remix launch party because I really liked that look, and let me see if I can find a picture for you. Cool, found it. So it was this like blue and yellow and green eye look that I loved. Shout out to our pro artist Freddie because he did my eye makeup and it looked, never gotten so many compliments on my makeup. But anyways, I will be recreating that look, and I was wearing this wig, so I figured I'd throw it on. I finally get to show you guys our Tarteist Pro Glow and Blush palette. It is super cute packaging. I don't know if you guys remember the Tarteist Pro Glow palette that this was remixed from, but that was also one of my faves and great for traveling because it had a cream contour, it had a powder contour, and then it had a bunch of highlighting shades that were absolutely stunning. So I'm very excited for this. You open her up like this, and then you have this bronzing shade Hi-Fi, this highlighter in Solo, this really pretty blush Electric, this other blush Beat, this other blush Tempo, and Amp, which I'm really amped up for. Just kidding. I'm really excited because it's like, hold on, I don't want to like dig my nails into the palette, which I always do. It's this really pretty darker blush, but it's also got metallic and shimmer in it. So I'm really excited to see how that wears. Also, I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. So I'm very excited to try that shade. Also very excited to do an eye look with this palette. So comment down below if you want to see me do an eye look with the blush palette. Just kidding, I'm gonna do it anyways. So first I'm just gonna go ahead and bronze up my face with Hi-Fi. Perf. This bronzer is definitely a little bit lighter than the Hotel Airs, but also darker, a little bit darker than Park Ave Princess. But the good thing is it's very buildable, and so it's actually working wonderful for me, and it's actually the perfect shade to contour my nose with. So I'm gonna do that. Now that we are all bronzed up, it's time to go into the blushes. And for me, I think I'm going to use Beat, which is like this deeper. Now I'm gonna go in with the highlighter from the palette. Oh my, oh mama, she's pink. Love this palette so far. That highlighter is insane. Let's move on to eyes. First, I'm going to be taking the shade Artist and popping that into my crease. So I went ahead and worked Color Explosion into my outer V, and then whatever was left on the brush, I just popped onto my lid. Now, I'm going to be taking this shade here outside the lines and popping that on my inner corner and blending it into my lid a little bit. Now with a blending brush, I'm just going to blend out those outer corners and smoke out my bottom lash line with that shade Color Explosion. Now that we have our shadow done, it's time to move on to liners, lashes, and falsies. So actually at the event, I wasn't wearing the same lashes that I'm going to wear today, which are baddie lashes that I'm reusing. But I'm going in with our Tarteist mascara as well as our Tarteist double take liner to create a very, very small wing and then to prep for falsies. So for lips, I'm going to try and recreate a matte version of my very favorite lip and gloss combo. So I'm going in with our Tarteist Quick Dry Matte Lip Paint in the shade Delish and our Tarteist Lip Crayon in the shade Chocolate Kiss. Alright guys, so this is the final look. What do you guys think? I think I did a pretty good job recreating it. But let me know what you think in the comments below. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please do that. And leave a comment down below what you want to see next. Bye, tartlets.